All right, Jeremiah, we are on math. We're on math page 89. I have reevaluated the places I'm going with ramp ups. I'm holding off on ramp ups for 2 weeks. I have some concepts coming up in this grade in math that we all need to work on. So, the other thing we're not ramping up on anymore is spelling. So Jeff and Brianna, we're going to have you, I'm going to trade your spelling papers out today and put you back in the second spelling, the level spelling with the rest of white group spelling. Yeah. Is the word I meant to say. So for right now, we're all white group math, we're all white group spelling. And we may change that later, but at this point, we need to all stay white group. Okay, so having said that, we're in white group problem solving edition, page 89 and 90. Let me bring that up for you, Jeremiah. We are leaning heavily today on touch points as opposed to fingers or strike marks or drawing circles. Right now we're trying to get it to touch points and mental math. So having said that, bring your touch point sheet out and set it beside your desk. For the first few times we do this, it's going to be work intensive. It's going to take a little longer. It's going to be a little harder, but we'll get it. Rylan, what can I do for you? Yes, ma'am. Mask up and come get it from me. Or Jeff. Here, Jeff will pass it to you. Can you? Here. You didn't get it out. Just hold it out for her and then pass it back to me. All right. But one of the things that we have always been focusing on in math is how to do a word problem. We've got steps that we need to follow in order to do a word problem. All right, so let me share my screen. I'm going to bring up the page and here we go. Name and date. It's a very fine place to start. Brianna or Jimmy, I'll make this bigger for you. How's that? Is that good? Yes. Great. Name and date. Rylan, how can I help? Okay. Keep that one tissue that you're using there. Shh, could happen. Today is the 12th. Okay. Name and date. And remember, we talked about problem solving. What's the first thing we need to do when we're looking at a math word problem? Kylie? Not yet. The first thing that we need to do, and we need to be thinking, you're talking. The first thing we need to do is we need to read the entire problem. Okay? So I need somebody to read the entire problem for me. I'm going to give that to KJ.
36 cans of fish and 24 cans of food to a local restaurant. How many cans of food did they take in all?
All right. That's the first thing, is read the whole sentence. We read the whole sentence. Okay? We read the whole word problem. The next thing we need to do is we need to underline the math question. We have to find the math question. So please take out your highlighter, preferably the one that's not yellow, the colored one.
Oh.
Yeah, because when it's dark, I can't see that one. So take out the colored highlighter. Jeff, yours is green.
Yep.
Rylan's is pink. Okay, I'm going to use a green one today. And we need to find the math question. So having said that, Brianna, what is the math question for this? No, you're giving me the information. Remember, if I'm looking for a question, Brianna, what does a question end with? What kind of a mark?
Oh. Oh.
What does a question mark end with? What kind of punctuation? A period, an exclamation mark, or a question mark? No, question ends with a what, Kylie? What kind of mark?
Question mark.
Question mark. So Brianna, do you see it right here? See that little question mark? Okay, so now we trace it back up to the first word of that sentence. Do you see it right here? Brianna?
Yes.
So can you read the entire math question for us?
There
No, no. Just the question.
How many cans of food do they take in all?
There we go. That's what I needed. Please underline that with your green.
Real. It's right there.
How many cans of food did they take in all? Okay. All right. Then the next thing we need to do is find the math word. This is the word that's going to tell us what we're going to do, our operation. Are we going to add, subtract, multiply, divide, or more than one of these? So we need to find the word that tells us what to do. What, Brianna, in this math problem is the math word? You said it first. When I asked you about the question, this was the word you said. Yes, all. So in all, so please circle in all. That is your math word. Please circle in all. That is your math word.
Okay, so
Rylan, are you getting these down?
yes, ma'am.
Okay,
It's right there.
in all. Right here, Jamia. There it is.
Right there.
Oh, got that.
Did you get it?
I got that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Shh. No talking, please. No talking, please. Now, in all, look at me. We have this. Look right at me. We have this. We have this. We want in all. Is that addition or subtraction, Jamia?
Subtraction.
Look, this to this. Am I adding or subtracting?
Added.
Adding, putting together, adding. Okay, so we know that our problem is going to have an addition sign in it. Okay, let's write our number sentence here. Got it. Line, so KJ, turn around now. Thank you. Line, circle, line. And we know that in here we have what sign, Jeff? And here we have, very good. Now, all we have to do is fill in the numbers. Rylan, what number goes up here? And I look in my problem for this. Yes, ma'am, 36. And what's the other number?
24.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Is this a horizontal problem or a vertical problem? The one that I just wrote. Did I write it horizontal or vertical? Take a guess. Horizontal or vertical? Somebody take a guess. KJ, I know you're not paying attention because you're looking at your fingernails.
I can't see the green. So I can't see the green one.
Is it, give me a guess, horizontal or vertical? I wrote the problem horizontally. This is a horizontal number sentence. Say that. This, say it, is a horizontal problem. In order to solve it, now that these numbers are so big, Back when you were a little kid, when you were in kindergarten,
Yep.
you worked horizontal problems because you only had one number. It was easy. But now they're getting more difficult. So you need to convert this horizontal problem to a vertical problem. And to do that, you've done it a million times. You'll know what I say when I do this. You write 36. You write 24 under it. You write an equals bar, and you write a plus sign. And then you add your what, Jamia?
With.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, who's write that down?
Yes, sir. Write it carefully.
I can't see the number.
It's hard to see, isn't it? Because it's, honey, shh, Kylie, let it be, honey. She can't see because it's light colored. KJ, stop playing. Put that folder down.
Oh.
I'm saying your name way too much in this lesson. Shh, mind you what, Jeff? Shh. Okay, so again, we've got 36. Is that better, Jamia? Plus 24. And Jamia says, I need my grids and I need my equals bar. I know this has a number line here, Jeremiah, but we're past number lines. Number lines, I would rather you, I'm trying to get you to work on touch points and renaming. So I want to see this way. Okay. All right, now all I have to do is add. So I'm going to my ones place. I always start with my ones place. And I'm going to add two numbers together. Hunter, what number of these two goes in my head?
Where is it number 2?
Right here. Look right here where my cursor is.
Oh.
Of these two numbers, what goes in my head? Biggest number.
6.
6 goes in my head. 4 goes on, nope, not fingers anymore. We're done with that. 4 goes on my touch points. So look over at your touch point. You're aiming for the 4. You're going for him. Ready? So say this number with me. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There it is. There's my 10. What number goes down here, Brianna? What number goes right here? 0. And where does my 1 go? Up top of the 3. Okay? Now, I need somebody to tell me 3 plus 2 plus 1. We've got 3 plus 2. What is 3 plus 2, Kylie? Kylie, look at my touch points. 3, Kylie. Jamia, take it. 3, 4, 5, and one more is 6. Very good. Write it down.
Oh, there's 6.
And my answer is 60. Yeah. Okay. Next one. Rylan, I'm going to have you read this problem for me. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Go. The
The
boys
boys
stacked
that 25
rolls
rolls
of
of
paper
paper
towels
towel
on
each
of
of the
mhm,
3
shelves.
shelves.
How
How
many
many
rolls
rolls
did
did
they
they
stack
stack
all together
all together
All right, Brianna, what is the math question?
How many walls did they
Stack all together. Perfect. Thank you, Brianna. And Kylie, what is the math word?
Just a question mark.
It's not the question mark. What's the word right before the question mark? That big long one. Jeff, can you help her out? All together. Circle that one.
And highlight it?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's great. Underline the math question, circle the math word. Rylan, I have some here. I have some here. let me put these, if I put it on the board here. Some here, some here. Put them together. Is this add or subtract, Rylan?
Adding.
Adding. So I know I'm going to use my plus sign. Oh,
Oh, God.
I know. Scribble.
That looks like a question mark.
Okay, I've got it right here. And I'm going to make my number sentence. Line, circle, line, circle, line. And here, Rylan told me I put a plus sign. Rylan, do you know what goes in this circle? Equals lines.
Equals?
And Jeff, fill in the numbers for me. What number goes here? What number goes here?
I can't see the name. Oh, 25.
And 25 and 3. And we are much too big. Turn around, Brianna. Brianna, turn around. Feet under the desk and scoot your chair up. We are much too old to write these horizontally, so we need to make a vertical problem. KJ, go up to the board with your dry erase marker and write our problem for us. Right there, right here. Do you see it, KJ? Where I want you to write it? Good job masking up. Let me know if you can't reach it. Nope. Right here, baby. Nope. Not there. Why don't you go right there? Write our problem. See it right here. Oh, nice and big. Excellent. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. You got the 25 right. But is that 3 in the ones place or the tens place? Is that 3 ones or 3 tens?
I think you got that one.
Shh. Because 3 tens is 30. Right. So switch it over there. Erase it here and put it over there. You just do it with your hand, sweet baby. Just use your hand. No, darling. Yeah, just use. Okay. All right. It's right over here because we're talking 3 ones, not 3 tens. This is only 3 spots. Okay. Jeff. Oh, no, wait a second. Tamia, you want to do this? You want me to have Kylie do it?
I'll do it.
You go up? Okay, go up. Huh?
I'm fine.
You want Kylie to do it?
I can do it.
Kylie, go up to the board for me.
Okay. Oh, I don't know.
KJ, don't make a value judgment. Not everybody thinks it's easy. Go ahead and get your mask up, sweetie. We'll wait for you. give you, there you go. And now we're adding 5 plus 3. See it? 5 in your head and 3 on your touch points. Let me write your touch points for you till you get them memorized. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Can you show us how we count that? Point here. 5, 6. That's exactly right. Put the answer down there for me.
Oh, come on.
Shh. Brianna, shh. Shh. Stop talking. And don't say okay. Just don't talk. Goodness. All right. Now, Kylie, you don't need to put touch points on that one because that one's already in your head. That's the biggest number. So now we have 2 plus nothing is what, Kylie?
Actually, come on, too.
That's right. Write it down there. Very good.
You know, Chloe, you did good. Come on. Genius. Smarter than
And then, Kylie, if you wouldn't mind, write it right over here for me as well. 28.
good job.
KJ? Great. And Kylie, while
No,
you're,
that's two.
everybody get this written down because I'm going to have her erase it while she's still up there.
You're right. Mr. Allen.
Rylan?
The other one, you got 5.
Rylan,
Yeah.
did you get this one written
Now,
down?
what's that one? The
It's
other
8, 2, 22.
It's 28.
Okay, guys.
KJ,
I got it.
stop swinging around.
Can come off, Kylie.
That's mine. Did you get yours off? You got yours
Yeah.
off there?
She got confused.
Okay. What about the 28 over here? Did you write 28 right there?
Oh, no, I didn't.
Okay.
I didn't.
I am finished with number 2, yes or no?
Yeah.
Great. Now we're going to number 3. Hunter,
Yes.
can you read number 3 for me?
Number 3. Alvin,
Uh-huh.
boat
Brought
brought 15 packs of
paper
paper
plates.
plates and 2 packs of napkins.
Meg
Meg
brought
brought 8
more
more
packages
packages of paper plates. Then Alvin, how many packages of
paper plates
did he bring in?
did Meg bring? Okay.
Meg.
So, Brianna, what is the math question? What is the math question?
I don't see it. It's right there.
Look at your paper. Find the question mark. See it? Trace it up to the first word of that sentence.
Brain,
No, it's a whole sentence.
how many?
Yes, read the whole thing. How many
How many
packages
packages
of
of paper
plates
paper plates did Meg
bring?
bring?
Okay? How many packages of paper plates did Meg bring? What is the math word?
Brain.
Kylie.
Add.
No, I'm looking for the math word, and this is a tricky one. Let me circle it for you because today the math word is actually still up in the paragraph, not in the math question. There it is. The math word is more. Please circle that. And Jeff, is more an addition word or a subtraction word? Mhm. It is a subtraction word. So my line, circle, line, circle, line has a subtraction and an equals bar. Okay. Okay. Ooh, this is a tricky problem. This one will be fun. Very good. Now, the next thing we need to do is find out what we're going to subtract. So, Hunter, this is perfect for you. What am I subtracting? What minus what? And you're going to have to read that problem carefully.
15, 16, minus
Mhm.
2.
Ah, wait a second.
What?
Hold up. I read it wrong. This is not a subtract. This is an add. Because we've got information in here. We've got paper plates, look, and we've got napkins. But our question is only asking us about paper plates. How many paper plates did Meg bring? Wait a second. Meg brought 8 more packages than Alvin. Okay. Man, word problems are tricky. It is plus. What am I adding? That's the question. What plus what? I'm trying to find out how many paper plates Meg brought. What do I need to do?
8. 8.
Meg brought,
8.
no, she didn't. Read it again.
Oh,
Meg brought 8. Read this, Brianna, out loud. Meg brought 8 more packages than Alvin. 8 more than Alvin. So what number goes right in here?
Wait, it says 2. No, it says 8.
No, it doesn't.
Says 2.
But wait just a second. Alvin brought 2 packages of what, Brianna?
Paper plates.
2 packages of,
I can't see that word.
look on your paper.
Napkins.
Napkins. But we don't care about the napkins, do we? We only care about the what, Hunter?
Napkins.
No, look right here.
Paper plate.
Paper plate.
He said money. I have to say. I said it. I don't know.
Okay.
I ain't gonna say money.
Now, Hunter. Brianna, put another $1 up and stop talking. Thank you. Hunter, I want you to figure this one out because I think you got this.
So your figure on, they just want paper plate.
Uh-huh.
So Alvin brought 15 paper plates, and Meg brought 8 more paper plates than Alvin.
So 15 plus,
8.
that's it. Let's see. Alvin brought 15 packages of paper plates. Meg brought 8 more. That's exactly right, Hunter. Take that up, make a vertical problem for us on the board. You want to do that for us, Hunter?
Yeah.
Go on up and show us how it's done. Word problems are tricky. Can you bring it down? Sure, I can. Is that good? Oh, sorry.
find out that it's not dry erase.
It is dry erase. Is it just not a good one? Is it-
No, I wrote it, but it didn't.
Oh, it could be not working.
It could be not working. Do you need another one?
Yeah.
Okay. KJ,
Ma'am.
I think we're all out. Wait, I might have one more. Hang on. I do. It's okay, I got one. Thanks, KJ. Thanks for being at the ready. We are getting dangerously low. You have got to ask your parents to bring you more dry erase. This time we're not sharing, but we are almost out of dry erase. I don't have any more. Do you understand that? Yes. Okay, so what two numbers am I adding?
15 and 8.
Yes, sir. You get it? Do you want to add it up for us? Do you want to do it?
Wait, it's something wrong. That 8 goes next to 5.
Let me get it. Let me get. Did you put the 8 on the wrong side? Here,
No. Yeah, you did.
let me show you.
Yeah.
It needs to be 15. No, let him go. Let him go. Brianna, stop talking. Why don't you come sit back here with me? I'm tired of it. 15 plus 8, right there. Because 8 is 8 ones on that, or 8 spots. Okay? You get it? Now, if you were adding 8 plus 5, what number goes in your head, Hunter?
The 5.
You want the, yeah, 8 goes in your head. And then what is 8 plus 5, Hunter?
Hold on.
I'm putting some touch points up there for you. Look right up there. There's your touch points. Jamia, count this for me.
13.
8,
8,
9.
10, 11, 12, 13.
There it is. Very good. So, Hunter, are you getting? Did you get the 3 down there, Hunter?
Yeah.
And the 1. Where'd you put the 1?
Up the.
Right.
Oh,
And here, Rylan.
No, it's 20.
Rylan.
23.
KJ, I got a spot on the other side of me if you're going to be disruptive. Yeah, you are. You're up there dancing and moving around. Please don't be distracting. Jeff, it's really not. Put $1 out. Okay. Rylan, of these two numbers, which one goes in your head and which one goes on touch points?
Can I go back to my seat?
Yes, you can, darling. Thank you. What goes in your...
Top goes on the top one.
Yep. And what one goes in your head?
The one.
Good.
That's at the 5.
So can you count it with me, Rylan? What is 1 plus 1?
1 plus 1 is 2.
Very good. There it is right there. You want to go write it up there, Rylan?
Did I make my problem too small?
No, you did just fine, sweetie. You can write it on Hunter's, so you can write it on mine.
I need my paper.
There you go.
That's the 302.
It's a 2. Very good. You guys are doing very well. You'll have to catch up later. If you miss class, it's not good for you. You'll have to catch up. All right. I have finished 1, 2, and 3. I'll leave 3 up there. You're probably not finished with 3. Okay? Jeff.
No, I'm just switching.
Brianna, go get your paper, now that I think about it, and bring your board and come back. I don't want to give you a bad grade on this, but I do want you to pay attention in class. All right. We are very close to ending time on this, so I want to come and check this for you. The back, we will be doing tomorrow, okay? Maybe tomorrow and the next day. Shh. No talking, no value judgments. It's all good. All good. Is everybody finished with number 1? Yes or no?
Yes, we all done.
Great. I want to come around and look at your 2 and 3. We're going to say goodbye to Jeremiah for now. We'll see you in a few minutes for handwriting
Bye, dear. See you at 6 o'clock.
and see you for handwriting.